I'm glad to be here. This is a very important part of our work in partnership with citizens of Bosnia. Reconciliation and the role of media is very critical, and it's a long-term sustainable. It's long-term and it has to be a sustainable activity, and so we're happy to support this project.
Dakle, jako mi je drago što sam u prilici da prisustvujem ovom događaju. Ovo je vrlo važan projekat za pomirenje. Uloga medija je posebno značajna u tom pogledu za jedan dugoročni i održiv proces pomirenja.
So we're looking at the role of media and journalists. And journalists, as I mentioned in my speech, they play a very critical role in facilitating, open and objective views. So our support to like this media I'm talking on has an incredible opportunity and responsibility to promote objective views, as well as support reconciliation. This is, the country that's only been 20 years ago had a war, and we're still recovering from it. So this project it's going to take a while, but we'll get there. I think these things are not overnight. You can't stop hate speech overnight. But what journalists can do is actually point them out and say these are bad things and make us recognize why they're bad. So I think journalists play a really important role in society.
O tome ću svakako više govoriti u svom uvodnom govoru, ali to da je uloga medija i novinara kritična je, dakle, definitivno jasno. Novinari i mediji moraju biti otvoreni i moraju izražavati objektivne stavove. Na taj način će, dakle, pomoći da se uspostavi proces pomirenja i oni zapravo predstavljaju bitne subjekte kada je u pitanju davanje objektivnih vijesti. To je jedan proces koji se neće dogoditi preko noći, mi smo toga svjesni, ali novinari definitivno imaju kritičnu ulogu u davanju jedne šire slike, jedne objektivnije slike i zapravo to je njihova glavna uloga.